The off-road truck world thought it had seen everything. Then Ford dropped a supercharged 700 horsepower Apex Predator. This is the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor R, and nothing else comes close. Welcome back to Improve Autos. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at the king of factory off-road performance. Let's get straight into it. Exterior. Starting outside, and this truck is genuinely intimidating from the front 3/4 angle. Premium glossy olive green metallic finish, balancing tactical aggression with high-end luxury. Massive front grille with bold black Ford lettering and a signature red R badge tucked in the corner signaling exactly what is hiding under the hood. Matte black steel tactical bumper, loaded with 4 high-output circular off-road LED driving lights, amber marker lights along the grille top, sharp modern C-clamp LED headlights flanking each side, flared matte black fender arches framing massive all-terrain tires on beadlock-capable wheels, orange tow hooks popping against the lower skid plates, built to take on the most punishing terrain on Earth. Around back, huge matte black tailgate applique with bold Ford branding alongside F-150 and Raptor R badges. Heavy-duty rear bumper with flush-mounted LED auxiliary lights and integrated tow hooks. Massive dual exhaust tips peeking out underneath like cannons, built to sing the unrestricted song of American V8 horsepower. This truck looks fast standing completely still. Interior. Step inside and the desert exterior shifts into a high-tech command center instantly. Thick leather-wrapped sports steering wheel with an aggressive red centerline marker, contrast stitching, and built-in paddle shifters. Fully digital instrument cluster, showing vital performance metrics directly ahead of the driver. Massive high-definition infotainment screen running advanced navigation, surrounded by premium carbon fiber weave trim across the dash and doors. Overhead auxiliary switch toggles mounted directly into the ceiling, controlling the exterior lighting rigs with one touch. Massive panoramic sunroof flooding the cabin with natural light, whether you are cruising the highway or jumping over dunes. Rear passengers do not get left behind either. Heavily bolstered seats in premium black leather with perforated inserts for ventilation. Red contrast stitching mirroring the front row theme. Exceptional legroom and headroom for the full crew. A power sliding rear window lets passengers hear that brutal V8 exhaust note roaring from the back at all times. Performance. Underneath the styling sits a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8, producing over 700 horsepower and massive low-end torque. Paired with a rapid shifting 10-speed automatic transmission calibrated specifically for high-speed desert runs and technical rock crawling. Whatever the desert throws at this truck, the suspension reads it and adapts before you even feel it. Pricing. The 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor R is expected to start at approximately $110,000 to $115,000 for fully loaded configurations. For a factory-built supercharged V8 desert truck with this level of suspension technology, interior luxury, and raw performance, that pricing positions it well against custom-built off-road trucks that often cost significantly more for less factory refinement and warranty backing. Wrapped inside a genuinely luxurious tech-packed cabin. Here's the question for the comments right now. Would you choose this factory-built desert pre-runner over a custom off-road build, or does custom still win for serious enthusiasts? Drop your answer below. Like the video. Subscribe to Improve Autos for premium truck breakdowns every single week. See you in the next one.